oxygen on today's flight, please be sure to remove any face coverings before using your oxygen mask. And I'll perform the demonstration from the front of the cabin once completed. I'll do visuals from row 7.
At this time, please take out the safety information card located in the seat pocket and follow along as I point out some of the safety features of the CRJ aircraft. The CRJ is equipped with the following emergency exits: the door through which you entered, a floor-level exit on the forward right side, and 2 window exits. Please take a moment to find the nearest exit to you, as well as an alternate exit. All exits are identified with red and white exit signs above and below. The aircraft is also equipped with escape path lighting. In the event your vision becomes impaired, follow the floor-level lighting and arrows, which will lead you to an exit. When exiting in an emergency, leave all carry-ons behind. At this time, check to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened low and tight. To fasten, insert the metal clip into the buckle. To tighten, pull the strap away from you. To release, simply lift up on the top plate of the buckle. Seatbelts are to be fastened at all times while seated. Should the need arise for a flotation device, your seat cushion can be used by pulling it up and forward, taking it from the aircraft with you. Once outside, slip your arms through the straps, pull the cushion to your chest, and then clasp your hands together. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort. If the cabin pressure should change, a door above your head will open and a mask will fall. Grasp the mask inside and pull down to start oxygen flow. Slip the elastic band around your head, cover your nose and mouth with the yellow cup, and adjust with the side straps. Breathe normally. If occupying the lavatory, masks will be held within a retaining clip. Oxygen flow is controlled by altitude. At lower altitudes, the bag on the mask may not fully inflate. Be sure to check your own mask before assisting others. Continue to use the mask until advised by a crew member that oxygen is no longer needed. Smoking is not permitted on the aircraft. This includes the lavatory. Aircraft lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors, and the law prohibits anyone from tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations also require passenger compliance with lighted no smoking and fastened seatbelt signs, as well as all posted placards and all crew member instructions. Now check once again to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened low and tight. All seat backs and tray tables are to be in an upright and locked position. Carry-on luggage must be placed beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead compartment. More detailed information can be found on the safety card. I'd like to suggest you take a moment to read this carefully before takeoff, and then return it to the seat pocket for future use. Thank you for your attention, and welcome aboard.
O'Hare International Airport ATIS Information Uniform 19510. Wind 310 @ 7. Visibility 10. Fuel 6,000 gross. Temperature 30. 2.14. Altimeter 2994. Remarks. AO2 sea level pressure 134. Tango 030001444. Arrival dispatch vector ILS runway 10. Center approach. Visual approach runway 9 left. Visual approach runway 10 right. Pilot dispatch to intercept the ILS Yankee runway 10 right. Final approach course. Simultaneous approach is in use. Departure dispatch runway 9 right from Sierra 9870 speed available. 10 left from Delta 10,093 speed available. Attention pilot. Simultaneous parallel departures in use. Dispatch to initially fly runway. heading on departure. Pilots must read back direction of subsequent turns as instructed by ATC. Runway 4 left, 22 right slow. Runway 10 right glide slow out of service. Runway 10 right offset glide slow out of service. Runway 9 left inner marker out of service. Runway 9 center inner marker out of service. Runway 10 left inner marker out of service. Runway 10 right approach glide system out of service. Runway 9 left precision approach path indicator out of service. Runway 10 left precision approach path indicator out of service. Runway 27 right precision approach path indicator out of service. Pilots use caution for bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. Caution for personnel as equipped and at numerous sites on the field. Brief bank on runway hold to Hearing on frequency 121.67. Advise on initial contact. You have information uniform.
Westline, the Foxtrot, what's your call sign? Limburg 4517 metering, monitor ground point 75 uniform, correct.
Almost there. Following, that means we spoke to the intents of design. Please get provide with us some kind of line details once we split, once we're here.
United 944 Heavy, 9 right Sierra, north on uniform 3, cross 4 left, Hotel United 944. Alright, 9 right, Sierra Bravo, Tango Romeo Hotel for American 3269.
Number 4517, tower wind 050 at 6, runway 10 left to Delta Delta, line up and wait. Skywest 4954, turn right heading 110.
Right, heading 110, Skywest 4954.
Skywest 4954, contact departure 126.62.
12662, Skywest 4954.
Number 4517, fly runway heading, runway 10 left to Delta Delta, clear for takeoff. Envoy 3462 tower, it's Sierra, cross runway 10 left, hold short of Bravo, then contact ground 118.45. Sierra 10 left, and now go to Bravo. Breaker 4729, fly heading 090.
090, Breaker 4729.
Breaker 4729, contact departure 126.62.
2662, Breaker 4729, take care.
Number 4517, turn right heading 110.
Right, 110, number 47.
Number 4517, contact departure 126.62.
12662, number 4517. Departure number 4517, 2.1 time at 5,000, 110 heading.
Number 4517, Chicago departure, radar contact. Breaker 4729, turn left heading 060.
Left heading 060, Breaker 4729.
Skywest 4954, proceed direct mobile, time to maintain 15,000.
Direct mobile, climb maintain 15,000, Skywest 4954.
Medevac 2 Mike Bravo, proceed direct mobile, time to maintain 11,000.
Direct mobile 11,000, Mike Bravo.
Skywest 4954, contact Chicago Center 120.35 today.
2035, Skywest 4954.
Medevac 2 Mike Bravo, time to maintain 15,000, good night, 250 on off.
Hey, 15,000, 250 knots. Mike Bravo.
Number 4517, turn left heading 060.
Left 060, number 4517.
Breaker 4729, time to maintain 7,000.
7,000, Breaker 4729. Breaker 749 with you, leveling 4,000, right turn in 40.
Breaker 749, Chicago departure, time to maintain 6,000.
To confirm 070 for Lindbergh 4517.
Number 4517, 060. Number 4517, fly heading 060.
060, number 4517.
Medevac 2 Mike Bravo, contact Chicago Center 120.35.
2035, 2 Mike Bravo, good evening. 15,000, Lindbergh 4517. Casper 966, 3,400, calling 5,06070.
That's 4966, cover departure radar contact. Brickyard 4729, coming maintain 15,000.
15,000, Brickyard 4729.
Brickyard 4729, turn right direct. Duffy, contact status center 120.35.
Direct Duffy and then 2035, Brickyard 4729. Take care.
Brickyard 749, come to maintain 10,000.
Good 10,000, 10,000, distance 40.
Travis 4966, climb to maintain 10,000.
Maintain 10,000, Casper 966.
Travis 4966, correct, climb maintain 15,000.
Maintain 15,000, Casper 966.
Number 4517, for direct mobile, contact Chicago Center 120.35.
Direct mobile 12035, Lindbergh 4717.